I've been coming to, like I said, Nanavati for 25 years here with my own injuries. My sister was here, admitted, as a matter of fact, just in the room behind. And to see it so beautifully renovated, and then especially the new technology that is being used, where they talk about this whole air suction thing to make sure it's hygienic and sterile. I think those things are great innovations. I've seen this hospital for 25 years, so to see it now like this and develop to such an extent, I think it's a great thing you all are doing, because at the end of it all, you don't come with any happy feeling to a hospital. So if the hospital can make you feel nice and comfortable for whatever little stay, inshallah, nobody has a long stay. But I've had very long stays in my family. Like I was saying, when the pediatric ward was being made, so Ali had asked me, how should it be? I said, it should be like a playground. Please make it like a playground. So when you go there, the little children are there and you don't feel. So I think the atmosphere, the hygiene, the sterility, and everything that is being managed here is, I think, world class, mashallah.
One of the biggest things that
Shahrukh, injuries have been part of your life, and you've always recovered beautifully. But has it ever been a time when it has slowed you down mentally, affected you that okay, let me not take a risk in my health, in my body while working?
The strange thing is, I've never really got injured doing something dangerous. I'm a romantic hero. While loving only, I'm getting injured. I'm making love and I'm getting injured. It's whatever big injury. Now I have a bad knee. It was just during a dance, not even some big. The big stunts I've done, I've got actually. God's been kind.
No, the jump, first floor jump.
Some jumps and all.
He has
Yeah.
paid the stuntman and he has done it on his own.
Even if it's not during work, but as a person, as an actor, did you feel that okay?
No, not at all. Yeah, I really feel that if you can go, and I'm not a how do you say, surgery junkie. I've had 9 or 10. I've just had one. I still have to take my stitches off. I think if you can go to your doctor and trust in him or her, I think that's the best thing you can do. Get rid of ailments. Do regular checkups. To all of you, matlab, you spend as much time on the road as I do. All of you are running around. Day before yesterday, one boy. Please be careful in front of cars. And do checkups, do yearly checkups, please. I mean, for young people, for old people, we don't think as. I think somewhere people have not got into that culture of doing yearly checkups. So, सब ठीक चल रहा है यार. खाना वाना खा लिया, थोड़ा सो गए, सब ठीक हो गया. I think we should do yearly checkups and put yourself in good doctors' hands. And most of them are all good people. They look after you and you can come back bouncing.
Available.
And insurance also.
Yeah, insurance available. So
And there are insurances available now. So you should participate in all that and do it for your family, for your kids. I think it's important. Yeah.
शाहरुख, इसके अलावा आईपीएल शुरू होने वाला है, तो किस तरह की प्रिपरेशन चल रही है, किस तरह की एक्साइटमेंट?
मैं तो क्या प्रिपेयर करूँगा यार. मैं तो टीम प्रिपेयर हो रही है. आई थिंक चूज़ हो गए और अभी अब चले गए होंगे लोग. आई थिंक ट्रेनिंग के लिए साउथ अफ्रीका 10-12 प्लेस जा रहे थे. आई थिंक कल परसों में चले जाएंगे.
शाहरुख, रिसेंटली आप आमिर के घर गए, तो उनको विश करने
Please stick to the subject.
तो क्या किस तरह से विश किया, क्या गिफ्ट दिया आमिर को?
किस तरह का विश किया?
किस तरह से विश किया और क्या गिफ्ट दिया?
मैं तो गले ही मिलता हूँ सबसे यार. उनका जन्मदिन था, उनको बस विश करने एंड टाइम स्पेंड करने चला गया.
Shahrukh, a lot's been spoken about your growing friendship with Amir. So can we see a film in the pipeline, perhaps, with you and Amir starring together in it?
No, we don't have any. We don't talk work here. We haven't spoken work for years. So I think he's just been in town. I've been in town, and the last 2-3 months, I think he's come home sometimes. But no, we've not talked work at all here. There's nothing work-wise that we have discussed.
Shahrukh, also one of the biggest films with a medical background that has been made in Indian cinema was Munna Bhai MBBS. It was first planned with you. Raju had planned with you. It didn't happen. So any regrets on missing that out, or perhaps?
I think that हर किसी की फिल्म जो होती है उसकी किस्मत की होती है. And I don't think I would have done it as well as Sanjay Dutt at all. I think he was fantastic in the film.
Shahrukh, related what he asked about Amir, how has your friendship evolved with him? Because earlier when we used to see you guys together, of course you guys must have been meeting personally, but we didn't spot you guys together.
We actually always met as often. You just have more media now who gets to know that we are meeting. हम पहले भी इतना ही मिलते थे. तब लेकिन चले जाते थे. अब तो actually it's quite shocking that everyone is everywhere. So that's why I think it seems more like it.
Guys, we need to wind up. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I'd like to thank Shahrukh Khan ji and also want to share with you that this is such an important milestone. Many of you may not be aware but the Bhumi Pujan of this hospital was done by Mahatma Gandhi along with Khan Abdur Ghaffar Khan.
Oh wow.
And
That's
the
amazing.
inauguration of the hospital was done by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Panditji. Thereafter, Mother Teresa inaugurated the cancer ward. JRD Tata also inaugurated a ward. And today, sir, you have inaugurated this thing. It is such a tremendous honor
They
for
must
us.
have been better dressed than me, I'm sure. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys, the girls. Thank you very much.
All the nurses.
Right, thank you. Thank you, all the best. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you, डॉक्टर साहब, एक्सप्लेनिंग ऑल दैट। मैं आगे और समझूंगा फिर मैं पेशेंट्स होंगे तो मुझे मालूम है।
What a world class vehicle of
No. And I'll come and discuss my foundation.
Anytime you give me the time and
Give
place,
me
I will
another
be there.
3-4 days. I'll just sit with Geetika and Thank you guys, thank you very much.
रवि थोड़ा इसको आगे लेना भाई दादा हाँ जी बस हो गया ना चल रहा और डाल दे आगे उधर का थोड़ा
Thank you. आगे जाने दो। Thank you.
थोड़ा साइड
मैडम थोड़ा साइड। Thank you. चलो हो गया बस दादा थैंक यू।
गिर जाएगा तुझे।
अभी तुम लोग गिरोगे। चल सीढ़ी आ रही है।
त्याच्या पुढे कोणी नाही कोण जाणार इथून तुम्ही जा बस एवढंच